Hi there. I'd like to order a custom wardrobe. Can you help with that?
Trong đoạn hội thoại mà bạn sắp nghe, một người khách đặt thợ mộc đóng tủ gỗ đựng quần áo. Hãy tập trung nghe đoạn hội thoại và trả lời câu hỏi trên màn hình.
Hi there. I'd like to order a custom wardrobe. Can you help with that?
Of course. What kind of wardrobe are you looking for?
I need one that fits perfectly into my bedroom corner. I'd like it to have both shelves and hanging space.
Got it. Do you have specific measurements?
Yes, the space is 2 meters wide and 2.5 meters tall.
Great. Any preferences for the materials or color?
I'd like wood with a light finish. Maybe oak. And could the doors have mirrors on the outside?
Absolutely. We can use oak, and mirrored doors won't be a problem. Would you like soft, close hinges for the doors?
Yes, that sounds good. How long will it take to finish?
It will take about 3 weeks. I'll confirm the design with you before I start.
Perfect. And how much will it cost?
It'll be around $1,500, including materials and installation.
That works for me. Let's go ahead with it.
Great. I'll send you the design sketch tomorrow. Once you approve it, I'll get started.
Thank you. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
You're welcome. I'll keep you updated every step of the way.
Vậy là hết đoạn hội thoại. Nếu muốn, bạn có thể quay lại đầu video để nghe thêm một lần nữa. Bạn thấy câu này dễ hay khó? Nói mình nghe trong phần bình luận bên dưới nhé.